I go to school. School is a place where I learn new things. Every morning I get ready. I get dressed, have breakfast, brush my teeth, and take my backpack. I'm on my way. I can go by car, truck, or walking. When I arrive at the school, I see the entrance. I feel calm. When I arrive, I say hello to my teacher and my friends. I arrange my backpack and go to my place. I learn at school. I draw, write, and play. It's important to follow the rules. I raise my hand, wait my turn, and follow instructions. If I'm feeling nervous, I can take a deep breath, hug my stuffed animal, or call for help. I play with my friends, share toys, build, and laugh together. After learning and playing, it's time to go home. Happy return. At school, I learn, play, and grow every day.